Every look, every move, they tried to break me. Now I'm the fire, can you feel me? No morals, no lies, nothing too far. Every mistake you last, every glance leaves a scar. He says nothing and that's what makes it worse, because his silence screams louder than words. Nobody don't run, he waits, yeah, he smiles. Now it's your turn. You search for meaning, but there's none left. Just blood on the walls and laughter in the depths. He's not here for revenge, not for money or fame. He comes because